Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine and today I wanna share to you some interesting news. AliEXPRESS started really huge sale and it's opportunity to save some money for family budget and to get some interesting materials and supplies for painting from there. Also, I want to share some interesting items I got from there. I already used it for quite a long time, so I have experience. Not all items from AliEXPRESS handy and needs for painting, and I want to show you things that really helping to me in my arts. I want to start from this box. It's box for water to clean our brushes. Very simple item, isn't it? What could be more easy than just a box or glass? I don't like glasses personally because it's round shaped and it's not stable. I have two kids and they just like, to run around me and play around me. They can touch my table, so round glasses can fall and my art can be lost, especially if it's a watercolor. First, this shape of box very stable, like this. Also, it's have, see, these small holes for brushes. When I'm planning my composition, I already have the main idea what kind of brushes I'm going to use in my tutorial, right? So I can place here not all, but at least most of them. It can handle all size of brushes, like this. And here still some place, for more brushes. Let's look what we have inside. It's a cap, and actually the person who created this box was really smart, because this cap I also use it, for example, for sharpener, for other things that I have in mind, very nice. It have high walls here, so everything very safe. And this is the box itself. It have two different areas and you can separate water for better cleaning. Unfortunately, I can't put water here because this way it will be not possible to turn it on camera. I will demonstrate with this brush. Look, there is an area where you can rub your brush. That's very important because when you just, splashing your brush in water, you can't completely clean it. Especially with watercolor, I noticed it's very important. Clean well your brush because some colors can give unpleasant shades. For example, if you like to paint flowers, you just worked with the pinkish colors, with the red colors, and you have to switch to the green leaves. Red and green together giving us unpleasant brown shade. To prevent it, you have to clean your brush very well. What I did before this box, I was cleaning my brush in water, clean with fabric, after splash it again, cleaning again and checking if fabric is clean completely. Now I don't need to do it. I'm rubbing my brush here in water number 1, then cleaning here in water number 2, and then removing extra water from here. It's especially well working with this kind of brushes, with watercolors ones. And what I have absolutely clean brush and I'm ready to continue my painting. And plus, look, we have these small details. Sometimes when my junior calling for me and I'm, as a good mom, have to run to him very fast, I can throw my brush just in water. And here, look, brush will stuck to this detail and it's not moving even if while I'm not on my place. Someone will touch my table, my brushes will always stay here on place where I believe it. I was so happy to find item, and I can feel person who designed this easy and usual item for painting. This person was thinking about me, about my needs. Very, very well done. So I can recommend it to you guys. It's not expensive, very helpful for everyone who loves to paint. Another item that completely changed my order on my table. It's a brush stand. Let me demonstrate it to you without any brushes on it. Very easy design. It has 5 parts. It was kind of small parcel. This is a base. And look here, big size, small size, and special shape. Just connect it. And this is a top. The same system, special areas, so you can't miss any details. That's it. It's sturdy enough. I have a lot of brushes usually on my table, and all of them was, rolling around me. I have brushes with the 2 kinds of poles, short one and a long one. Long ones I'm usually placing in the center because, they're just big. And this is a small poles I'm usually placing here closer to me. Let's see if this small cute stand will handle them all. Also, I have some unusual poles like this. It's IKEA brushes. And you know what? Look, it's also possible to place here. You guys probably noticed I'm not smiling a lot because actually when I'm working with materials and arts, my face getting kind of serious emotion visible, but it's not so. I'm also like to joke and fun around. And look, in the end, all these brushes here, it have some sound. But all brushes here absolutely stable. This stand very handy. I have 2 of them, 2 of these stands, and it's helping me to keep all materials on my table in easy access and in right order. That's very important when I'm working for my video tutorials. Also, I want to remind you, on my channel you can find review about very good brushes from AliEXPRESS with affordable price. It's a long poles one, flat. It's possible to get with different shapes. I choose oval shapes. 13 brushes in one set. And another set, it's brushes with different shapes. We're working a lot with it on my channel. It's have all shapes we need. For grass, all shapes, very handy. Quality is good enough, and I can really recommend it to you. This kind of sponges I also got from AliEXPRESS, and we were painting grapes and apples on my channel, PaintyKat, you can check it. Subscribe to me guys, join me, we will have lots of interesting tutorials in the future. All links for items I share to you today I will leave down below, so check it. While I have a little bit of free time, I want to run to AliEXPRESS and grab some interesting materials for myself. It was a PaintyKat, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.